Good morning. It is about 5:30 Pacific time, and this is prepared for the folks that were working on some agentic ideas today. And I've started, as you might have guessed, in Perplexity, and I want to share some best practices on building agents with my team today. I'm attending an Agent Palooza, I think it's called the Agent World Tour in Seattle tonight. So, what's the best way to understand agents so that a fifth grader can understand in the style of Lego? There you go, Ken, that's for you. And how to find each agent framework, what it's used for, what are the top most viewed YouTube sites, the top five for each, what examples of why you might use patterns, how to use them, a view of model safety, checking that the answers are proven integrating, and then do this against OpenAI, Azure, GCP, and Anthropic to do A/B testing. By the way, I like the process that Perplexity went through. I didn't give it a very good prompt, so it didn't give me a very good app. Okay, so it didn't actually do what I said. Also, I'm pretty sure Legos are copyrighted. So, but what it did do is it gave me some really useful stuff to talk to folks about today. So, popular frameworks, and we can sort of look here. We look at home, we look at frameworks, and I do think that LangGraph, LangChain, CrewAI, AutoGen, AI Open Swarm, and LangChain, LangGraph, LangChain. I think there's some missing, but I didn't ask it everything. I said the top use cases. Then what's the use case? Lots of people are doing content creator. I wish they would quit it, but there we go. Obviously, then also, what are the safety guides? Because for each of these, what guide do you want to use for output? What are the approval and human in the loop? Because you need approval gates, review and edit, exception, and then feedback. This looks okay, so we can go ahead and use it. And then A/B testing. I'm going to try the use case wizard. So I'm going to say I want a customer support agent. I'm going to go ahead and use OpenAI because I've got the API key ready to go, and it generated the code. Now, it didn't do some of the other stuff I asked it to, but honestly, I probably should have given it a better prompt. I did like, by the way, the sources that it took me to. So sometimes I actually ask it to just give me the sources, and then I develop a reading list and a watching list from these sites because this is a very cool way to do it. Give me the top most authoritative sites. So I could have asked some follow up and other things, but this is just a quick and dirty to kind of show you how I think about using labs and apps. And of course, I would use Chat PRD. I would do a bunch of other things if I was actually going to deploy this code. This is just demo code. Please don't use it. It's not ready. Thanks, everybody. Hope that's helpful. Take care. Bye-bye.